Day 2.
It's 6:30 in the morning. Get ready to go out to Nigel's. Finish up this meth kit. Sorry, neighbors. Car's loud.
Two hours later.
Guys, don't be like this guy. The left lane's for passing them. Passing the right lane's more dangerous than passing the left lane. That's why on the Autobahn and places like that, you get big tickets just for cruising the left. Half the highways in North Carolina even have it written on the road. It says don't drive in the left lane. Slow cars move over to the right lane. Left lane's for passing. There's a reason left lane's for passing when our driver's seat's on the left side of the car. It's kind of dangerous to pass on the right side when your driver's seat's on the left side. So don't be that guy. Just cruising in the left lane. Pulling up to brutal speed. The reason we got the cemetery right here is that's where we bury your feelings when you get on this dyno. This dyno will crush your heart if you got some hopes for some high numbers. I still haven't found the Facebook button for this dyno, so we'll just keep having unimpressive numbers but going fast. It's like a rally course out here. Gotta off-road the SS to get out here. Should drift it. $9:47. 3 hours later. Pulling up to that brutal speed and tuning. Doesn't even have the door open.
Twelve seconds later.
Man has to be so noisy.
Later.